The law of the Lord is perfect, converting the soul. What God has for you is for you. What God has planned for you is for you. And what we have to learn, rather than to be dominant with God, is to be submissive with God, to submit to his will, to submit to his way. That doesn't mean that you're a mindless robot. Submission is to submit to the mission, to submit to the mission. Submission, to submit to the mission. Submission doesn't mean you're weak. It doesn't mean you're frail. It doesn't mean you're mindless. It means that you have a mission that's more important than you. Every person listening at me tonight should have a mission that's more important than you. Because until you have a mission that's more important to you, you will always be narcissistic. And as long as you're narcissistic, you will weigh the value of God based on the impact on you. Because your goal is you. God's goal is his mission. God esteems nothing above his purpose. What God has purposed will come to pass. And the Bible says all things work together for good, for them that love the Lord, who are the called according to his